So hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna see that how can you earn more Robux in Please Donate. There are various ways to earn more Robux in Please Donate. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss that how can you earn more Robux in Please Donate. Okay, so the first step of getting donated in Please Donate is never ever beg. The more you beg, the less chances of you is getting donated. Okay, so let me go to this person and ask him if he can donate me. First, let me tell you there's a difference between asking and begging, which I will tell you later on this video. Okay, so let me type that, please donate me. You will see the results. There, she doesn't donated us. So, let me tell you one more step. So you could earn the Robux that you're desiring for. So that second step is have a booth which stands out the most. As you can see, my booth, let me show you my booth. Okay, so my booth is pretty different. We could also get that, but by just following the quantum group. Like you could see that I have a booth which stands out the most. See, my booth, you could have pretty much free booths, like you could go have booths, and you could get, lots of free booths, like this toaster one, and this mushroom one. Please donate, people are donating, giving us this for free, just because of Christmas, so you could get this one, or this catalog one. Or you could get the pixel playgrounds one, or you could get the laser beam ones. Personally, I like this quantum one, so I will use this as it does. Others. Okay, to the next step is ask people to donate. As I said, that don't beg, I'm just saying to ask. So, let me tell you the power of asking. Like this person just donated him 50 Robux. So I'm gonna go and ask him if he can donate me. I'm not gonna beg. We should start the conversation by saying, hey, as I said, hey, let's wait for him to reply. As he said, hi, let me ask him, can you donate me? We are not gonna beg that, please donate me, please, we're not gonna do that. We just wanna ask him, if you can donate me, hi, can you donate me? Let's wait for his answer. What does he reply with? He replied with, okay, but I don't have that much. Okay, so wait, let's see how much he can donate. Just be grateful the much you get donated. Okay, so let's see how much he donates. Let's wait for his donation. OMG, he just donated me 10. We need to write, we need to show them that we are super duper happy. I just wrote, thanks and thank you so much, he donated me 5 more. So, like see, in front of you, I just earned 15 Robux. It's not that hard. Well, just say them thank you and tell them that you are grateful for the amount and see the magic. I also earned my 1200 Robux like this. See, the step is very much helpful. You could also use this step. Okay, so the next step is you need to have a colored text on your boot. Like you can see, I have colored text on my boot. You could change by the new update. They just give us the text color. So there's show current text color. You could choose any color you want. So I want the purple or cyan. So let's choose purple. And you could see that the purple, it stands out the most. You could see here the boots, they don't have the colored text. So let's see that these boots who don't have the color text aren't earning much. Like see this boot, it has a font, so it is earning much. And we could go ahead and this boot, see this has a color text, so it is earning as well. So you need to have color text, which can also make you earn more Robux, and it is a very helpful step to earn Robux. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking this video. This is my first channel and my first video. Please show support. Okay, bye bye.